People think that success just happens overnight. Like when they see my videos, they see that maybe I have a lot of followers, they just think like, oh, I'll hire you and overnight or in 3 months I'll become successful. They don't realize that for me to be where I am today, I have gone through a lot of years of experience. I have finished 2 college degrees, not that that matters anymore nowadays. It taught me something. I've gone through a lot of failures, if it's work failure, business failures, and learn from it. I've seen my customers grow and fail and improve, grow and fail and improve. So I've learned from their experience as well. I've learned on their strategies, what worked for them. So when you hire me, it's not that you hire me to teach you how to post on TikTok, how to make great videos. You hire me for all the experience that I have. If it's sales, if it's marketing, if it's product management, you hire me with the different perspectives that I have that other people don't have. I mean, I've lived half of my life in Albania, in a third world country. Like, people, when they hire me, they don't just get coaching on how to grow a business on social media. They get actual business strategies, business ideas. They get insight of how to do less but have more, how to work less and actually travel more, how to actually spend less time on content creation and have more videos, more repurposing videos that will go viral, and not just like to go viral and grow some followers, but to have a content strategy that funnels them to DM you, book a call with you, and turn into your clients.